step-by-step guide to register as an advocate or a law firm. If you are an advocate or a law firm and want to register yourself with Indian Dispute Resolution Center, then this is the right place. In this video, you will get to know the step-by-step process to register with IDRC. First, you have to open your browser and type theidrc.com and press enter. Tap on the Advocate tab on the home page, which will direct you to the login page once you are there. Now, click on the Register Now tab. This will take you to the registration form. Fill your name under full name. Then fill your email ID. Fill your mobile number. Now set a password. Confirm your password. Fill your enrollment number. Select your gender. Fill your city, state and your PIN code. Now fill your address. Now click on the Register tab. Now this will send an auto-generated email for email ID verification. Open your email and verify your email ID. After verification, you can now log in by filling your email ID and password. This will take you to your personal dashboard where you can explore our offline and EADR facilities. You can book your hearings as well as file your claim petitions with us. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.